How's it going, guys? So what we're gonna be doing today is I'm gonna show you guys what are the top 3 things I would do to my 350Z or a G35 or whatever other car. So these are the first 3 things I would do if I just got the car, and what you should do, and I really recommend this because it's just gonna give a completely different look. Your car's gonna feel different and you're just gonna like your car 100 times more. So for the first one, I'm gonna keep this video short. I'm not gonna, you know, wiggle it too much. But for the first thing you should do to your car is definitely an exhaust. An exhaust, why? Because exhaust, like the stock one, is very quiet. I mean, you can hear at high revs, but it's very quiet. So there's a whole bunch of different options. A lot of people just do the Tome. Everyone wants the Tome. But for my daily driving, the way I drive, and I drive this car a lot every day. So what I did, I just got an NVIDIA N1 exhaust. It's not super loud. It's pretty quiet, but you can still hear, if that makes sense. So it's like louder than stock, but it's not annoying loud. So I drive this car all the time. So I want a car I can just daily drive with no like too much loudness, if that makes sense. So for the second thing I would do is definitely wheels. Wheels are a completely different look to your car. Here's what it looks like with the wheels. I'm gonna put pictures somewhere around here what like my car used to look like. So wheels are definitely a must. I mean, there's these are ESRs. I don't know exactly. I think the VC11. I think that's what these are. So these are 10.5 and those are 9.5 in the rear. In the front, rear 10.5. So that's the wheels that I got. I mean, they're pretty cheap. I paid like 700 bucks for them with the tires. I recommend, like, if you're like on a budget, or you just want like a build but you don't want to spend too much money, just get them used. Look at them, they look pretty good for 700 bucks. I mean, they're an amazing deal. These are like 1,500 bucks new. So with tires, like what, like fucking almost 2 grand or whatever. But these are very nice wheels. I like the way it looks with the silver. So eventually I want to wrap this car, but I still have other things I want to do to it before I wrap it, because I want to pretty much not finish it off, but finish adding some things to the body before I wrap over those things, if that makes sense. So I do want to wrap this carbon fiber. I don't know if you guys can saw my interior, like right there, and the steering wheel is like carbon fiber. I do want to wrap this. I don't know if I should. Oh, there's people yelling. It's funny. But yeah, so that's what I would do. Honestly, like for my third one, I would do, like, you should definitely do this, is an upgraded stereo system. An upgraded stereo system, you really need this, because if you're daily driving this car, you want it to sound good. You want to feel comfortable in it. You want to just like jam out to your music or whatever. So I have a Pioneer setup, and I have some Punch. I don't know exactly what subs, because it came with the car, so I don't know exactly the amp too. But only thing I did is just rewire it, like connect pretty much, but it came with the car. So here are the Punch subs. They're like, what I really like about them is that they're fitted to the car, because my old ones that we did, it was just like the box, and it was like dingle around. So when I would like drive and sometimes I'll drift, they would just disconnect, because it was the box and then the amp right here that was connected to the box. So it was just annoying, because when I would drive, it would just like, you know, come off, and I had to deal with it all the time. So for this one, it's drilled down to right here. So I don't really have enough room, because in my old one, I could move the box to like right here, and then put like a wheel like through there, if that makes sense. But this one, I can't fit anything. Literally, only thing I fit. So when I go to school, I just put my backpack here, because I do carry a toolbox with me all the time. I don't know, it's just like, I always have a toolbox with me, carry a jacket, but only a backpack fits here. And like when I go get groceries or something, I have to like use the passenger seat. But I mean, what else do you expect from a 350? So there's not much room in this car. So yeah, that's all the top 3 things I would do. So wheels, exhaust, and the sound system. So a lot of people are gonna tell you, oh no, get what do you call it, coilovers first. You can do that, but honestly, just the wheels will give the car a whole different look, and it's gonna look 100 times better. I really recommend doing wheels first. Some people are gonna tell you no, but yeah, because the fitment might not be like 100% right, but I mean, you can figure that out later. But I got a steal on these, so I'm cool with like the wheels first, and I recommend you doing that first. But yeah, so that's pretty much what I would do. So comment down below what you think you should do. What would you do, I mean, on your car if you just got it? What were the first things you did to your car when you first got it? So those are the top things. Those are like the first 3 things that I did to my car. So yeah, guys, so if you guys like this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you, guys.